Wrong house.
Are you going to your grandmama house first?
No, and I'm going to the sword guy.
Your grandmama house. He's the one that's got the...
I can't even get in there. I
need a sword.
I need my sword.
You gotta cut it up. Can you hear? You gotta cut it up. Gotta cut it up. Like what? Like what? What's up, grandmama? Oh wait, this ain't grandmama's house.
God.
What's up, sword guy?
What's up, Orca?
Old ass. What's going on, ass? You've come back for more lessons on that ass. If that was really his name, that's all they would do is just poke fun of him.
Yeah. Cause I would do that.
Very good ass.
Why am I doing this again?
Do you have to do this to get the sword now? Or you just not doing it right before?
I don't.
Goodness.
I don't.
Press only B. Only B.
I walked up to him and pressed. Done.
Now hold. Yeah, there you go. No.
Swinging. Keep swinging, my nigga.
Keep it going. Dang, that old man got some backbone, huh?
Oops.
My God, he sounds angry when you mess up.
Get it right, damn it.
Oh. Sounds like he says ho when he does that.
You are 10 years old, you should be able to do this. Very, very good. Yeet.
I forgot about the parrying on here. That's awesome.
It says use L1.
Yeah, that's how you lock on. You gotta wait till he's about to do something, right? Or you gotta hit him and he's gonna try to hit back.
Oops. No,
Nope,
put your jump up.
No, what's wrong with you?
I might die.
Badow. There you go. Badow, badow. You get it.
What a fine display.
What a fine display, my boy. Maybe I'll give you the staff. Nah.
Thank you. You might have
this
it.
puny sword.
I got a goddamn sword.
It looks like a toothpick. That's not. Look how dull it is.
Yeah, the guy used it on his teeth.
There's no way. It's like a giant's like toothpick. Not even a giant. That's a Goron's toothpick. Now you can destroy everything in his house. Oh, that's your. He's over there.
No! I thought I trust you with the use.
Alright, you got this. You know where to go, right? Going to the forest.
I told you.
The forest of ash.
I know where to go. I know step by step.
The dark forest.
Come on, boy.
What does it actually have a name?
Who?
The forest. Is there a name for the forest?
Probably. I mean, if there is, I don't know.
There's a sign up here. Well, there was a sign you passed. I might have told right here. Don't cut it.
No entry. The forest path is closed.
Until the bridge is complete. Link's like, F that.
You're kind of ugly ass
Screw
thingy.
that. Just gonna cut these trees down and let
Oh, they're not coming.
make a
Not
clear
yet.
path for children to run up here and frolic too far. The
Alright.
bridge not fixed. You see. Fairy Mountain site. That's the Fairy Mountain site?
Yeah, to where the...
That's the only thing that's broken on the bridge is one little
Yep.
plank?
They can't fix that.
What? Just put another
The whole
Just
bridge
get a
is closed.
one piece of plank and fix it. My goodness. Here we go. This is serious.
That's how she didn't die.
Oh, because the tree caught her? She's so lucky.
Lucky as
The
shit.
damn tree came to life and caught her real quick. Like some Dorothy in the Wizard of Oz junk.
Come on, bud, get up here. Thank you, shit.
And people are living on that part of the island. Like what? Do they just not know that there's people in there on the island that look like that? Like they look totally different from them.
It's like, what the fuck?
They just made them look like bad guys.
What the fuck was that anyway?
An orc, right? Orca or something? Not an orca. I'm thinking that's a whale, right?
An orca.
Ogre. No, not an orc or something. We're recording.
So these birds just randomly drop these
They're
bull-looking
dropping orcs on you. They have a name.
These pig motherfuckers.
Get that booty. Get that booty. That tail. Did you see that jump kick? He was doing some Bruce Lee shit for a minute.
Jump kick.
See, I hate how it's doing that. You laugh and then like
I know.
and it cuts. It's all right. It's all right. It's not your fault.
Thumb.
Isn't she supposed to be a pirate? She's not a very good pirate. You couldn't steal your way off a tree branch.
Wow, what's with the get up? Well, whatever. So where am I?
His get
Oh,
up.
that's right. That giant bird came and... Amen. Tetra.
Tara? Is it Miss Tara?
Tetra?
Miss Tara. I think that's what it was.
T-E-T-R-A.
T-E-R-A, right? Thank
Tetra?
goodness you're safe. Well, I thought you'd get dropped off in the summer. I thought you'd be dead.
It does sound like that.
That's what he was sounding like.
Submit. So that bird dropped me on the top of a mountain?
Yeah, I thought you were dead.
Well, that wasn't nice of it. Well, don't just stand there. Let's go. Time to pay our debt to
Yo,
that
who
bird.
this nigga right here, though? I don't know this man. He ain't go with us. Who this boy?
Man, what about the boy? Don't worry about him. Fuck him. Let's go.
Bitch. I'm coming.
Wait. Big brother.
What you doing over there, girl?
I got a name, sis.
See, why did he cut that open? Now little kids can run all the way up there and fall off the bridge and jump. What a terrible older brother. I'd be like, no, go back. Oh, is this where it was jamming in the beginning?
Dang.
Directly at it.
That stunt is... Something wrong with that stunt, but... That stunt is toxic.
It's toxic. Oh Lord.
I'm at the main
the
shit
little-
you
that's
can
right.
do. You got me fucked up, bitch.
The little
I'm gonna do
sister
something.
got kidnapped.
Yeah, his little sister.
That's not cool.
Because they
Kidnap my
thought
fucking
the
sister.
bird mistake the little sister for the pirate. You
They
don't have
thought
to
that was
come with
her.
us on
Oh,
that
okay.
ship. You get it? Because
Yeah,
they got
no
the
shit.
thing.
I'd be like, hell yeah, I'm going to get my sister.
Yeah, bitch. You're the reason my sister got took.
Nigga, who you think you is, dog?
We're pirates, you know? Pirate, terror of the sea. What do we get out bringing some helpless kid around with us? First of all, bitch.
This nigga look like a wimp, dog.
You're not even there. You're looking at the hero of time.